So Salman, yesterday we have seen how to use AD control. So basically, AD control is used for to control the worker process. Okay,
Yes.
okay. So what we do? Let me do one more time. AD admin, AD admin. Okay. So let me start one more session.
No, what I'm thinking about that if we split things in a way that we have a theory section
Mhm,
in which you can go through the slide and we understand,
mhm.
and after that there is a time come we see that practically how it is. We save a lots of time because if we go on a theory session, we go, and I agree whatever in the slide, right?
Ji.
So at the end, when we done, let's say one topic or two topics, then we go to the practical exposure
Mhm.
of the same topic. Look, this how it works. Simple as that. And I think it will save a lots of time if we go by the slide.
Okay, okay, okay. In
Yeah, I
that,
think you have slides for each day
I
of,
have, yeah,
of.
I have.
So I think we go in that way, we will accomplish very easily.
I mean, actually, slide Salman I have, but sometime what happened? I mean, I'm discussing something and some new thing came in mind. So what I do, just I open the notepad and I used to type.
Yeah, yeah. What I'm thinking of, what we will do, we will actually stick to the topics what you have.
Mhm,
Instead of we changing the direction of
mhm,
the scope, we
mhm.
will make our mind that this is the day and this is the slide,
Mhm.
and these are the topics need to be covered. So any thought which we have is maybe after the completion of the desired topics,
Okay.
right? It will
I mean,
definitely take you
actually,
where we want to go.
the sequence I have, I mean, whatever the sequence I need to, I mean, I am following that one. So say, for example, I am discussing AD admin. So once AD
Yes.
admin has been done, the patching, the concept will come. So
Oh, okay, okay.
yeah, so
Understand.
two days I'll discuss patching. Okay. So once
So
the
we have these slides for them as well, right?
yeah,
Every
yeah, we have. So once the patching has been done, I will move on cloning.
yeah. Okay, 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 okay.
So likewise, say for example, cloning has done. Okay, so the two major topic, patching and cloning, we have done. Then I will move on some other stuff.
Okay, got it. I got
We have. I mean, since many years I'm teaching this Oracle application. So the flow which I required and the direction which I required that we have.
it. Okay, okay.
Okay, so AD admin. So it is asking for log file. So log file I'll mention. Say today is 3rd November 2000 admin.log. So it will create this log file. So you want to enable the feature? Yep, no. Batch size, yes. Correct database, yes. System
You wish to
process.
activate the feature. What feature he was asking?
No, he's saying that either you want to enable the emailing feature or not.
Oh, no, no, no. We don't. Yeah,
Yeah.
no, no.
So password of apps is apps. Okay.
System password we gave already.
Yeah, we gave. Here. We gave upstairs. See here, this one.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, we have given. Okay. So now, say for example, I want to generate some file. Okay, generate some file. So I'll say I want to generate a form file. So I want to mention worker process 4. So do you want to generate the Oracle form objects? Yes, I want to generate. Do you want to generate PL/SQL libraries? Yes, I want to generate. You want to generate the form menu? Yes. Executable? Yes. So enter the list of product. If I'll say enter, it will generate all the top. So I'll mention GL.
yeah.
So enter generic specific? No. All? Yes. See, it has created two tables. One is FND install process. See, FND install process, and one more table will be AD deferred job. So Oracle will create two table, and what we have in those table that I'll explain. Okay, so let me open the notepad. So it has created FND underscore install underscore process. Okay, so basically, what Oracle contains in this table? Okay, so this table is used to store information about the job given to the worker. So for example, I'm using four worker. So what actually the worker are doing, on which file they are working, what they are doing. So these kind of information will be stored in fnd install process table. Okay, and see, so I said this is kind of table. So whatever worker is doing, it will create one record and it will insert in this particular table. So this table contain information about my worker process, how many worker we have, what are the thing worker is doing. Each and every information will be stored in fnd install process table.
Okay.
What's got some idea?
Yeah.
So let me type here. This table is used to store the information about the job given to worker. It will insert a row for each each worker when it assigned a job. Okay, so for example, I mean, I have mentioned four worker process. So four worker process information will be stored in fnd install process, and what actually they are doing, this information will be stored here. Now one worker has done its job, so it will get new job. So again one row will be inserted in that table.
Okay.
What's some idea? And once the job has been done, so Oracle did not require this table. So what it will do, automatically it will drop this table. Clear something? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we have one more table, AD deferred underscore jobs. So AD deferred. So basically, whenever worker runs, so it will create two table fnd install process that we have discussed, and second table is AD underscore deferred underscore jobs. So this table is used to store information about deferred jobs. Say for example, I am using four worker process, and one worker got failed, so its job got deferred. So that failed information will be stored in AD deferred job.
Yeah. Yeah. Understand that. I
This table
understand that.
is used to store the information about the deferred
And
job.
there must be a table in which all the jobs information there, their status like executing, their status like something not
Yes, yes, yes,
executing.
yes, 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 yes.
Yeah,
It is
because
there.
I was working in one complete ERP application. It's called, in 2008, I was working complete ERP application. It's called at Horizon Utilities. I just forget his name. I was, they have a inventory control module,
Hmm.
HR,
Hmm.
and there are three module. I was doing all inventory control, HR, and there another module for GL. So I familiar about that, what these tables are, how to. As a DBA, my job is to check the background processes jobs, like if jobs get failed, if index is old, if something wrong with the application, then I do some reverse engineering to get a solution and get the patch from the vendor if there is no solution out there. So
Okay.
I understand the application in and out, and yeah, so it's called IFS application. I worked on IFS for 5 years, so I understand in and out.
Okay. 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 So in our case, see, we have mentioned four worker. So it's showing worker. The control code is it's running, and the context is generic rtol10, and the file name which worker is working on, it's this file, and the status is running. Okay,
Okay.
so let me see again. See, it's running. So
This
now,
AD job, what we wrote in the notepad, if you can visit
so
there
two
again.
table we have. One is fnd install process.
Yeah, I'm writing on my running notes as well.
Okay,
Just
okay.
it's the reason to writing the running note. I don't have to go to the video. I have this information handy. So it's saying that this table is used to store information about the job deferred job. Okay, deferred job are the jobs which are actually hung, kind of, right?
uh, Not hung,
Failed.
which got filled.
Okay, got it. I got
So,
it.
so that
Yeah,
information
yeah,
will be stored here. And
yeah. Information.
we know these are the menus. With the help of that menus, we can control our worker. Say, for example, worker got failed. So with the help of option 2, tell worker to restart a failed job. Okay, it will start. Suppose I want to quit my worker. Yesterday we have seen I want to quit worker 3 or worker 4. So I'll use option 3 and I'll say 1. Worker 1, I want to quit. See, the control code changed to quit for worker 1. It was running, but it says that quit. Okay, let me cross check. See, it's showing done and it's waiting. It means what we did, we said to worker, hey, quit, don't do anything.
Yeah, using option 5.
Option 3.
Option 3. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now
Yeah.
this worker is waiting. I mean, it's not doing anything, but his manager should know that it's not doing anything. So what we have to do with the help of option 5, we have to mention tell manager that worker acknowledge quit. Okay, so with the help of option
Okay.
5, we can do. And if I want to restart my worker, yes, of course we can. Say option
If I
6.
want, if I want the worker to be out of the queue, for example, there are 4 workers working, right?
Mhm.
So at this time, there are lots of load. So I can make the worker quit, right? Means like he's not taking that more resource from my system.
Yeah, it has been
And
done. See, it has
what is
been
the
done. It's
difference?
not doing anything now. It's quit.
The question on my head, what is the difference between option number 3 and option number 5? Option number 3, tell the worker to quit. Option number 5, tell manager that the worker acknowledged quit. What's the difference between these two?
It's a big difference. It's a very big difference. Say, in the real time, you are working with some company. Okay. So what happened? Uh, you quit your job, or did what you did? You became abscond. I mean, Sunday you should be in
Yeah,
the office, but
just
what you
you,
did? You abscond.
some manager or somebody there at the client side, you say, I'm quitting, I'm going, I'm not going to see your
No,
face.
no, 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 no. What you did, what you did, you quit your job. I mean, you Monday you haven't came to office. So from your side, you have quitted. I mean, you are you don't want to work in that particular company. But this information should know your manager as well.
Okay.
So option 2, what we are doing, sorry, option 3, what what we are doing, we are saying that hey, quit. Salman, quit the job. You quit and you left. But your manager is still thinking, hey, Salman is in company, still he's working. So your manager should know that you have quit the job. So option
Okay.
3 you did, and option 5 now someone told to your manager, hey, Salman has left the job. Why?
Hmm.
Because still manager is thinking you are in the company, you are working. So he will approve your leave or he will approve your payroll. So everything he will approve. So he should know that you have left the job or you have quit the job. So option
Hmm.
5 will tell to the manager, hey, that worker Salman has quit the job.
Okay. What is the difference then? If because anyway the work has been stopped and stopped in number 3
So
or
how,
number 5.
see, your manager is in Quebec or he's in Montreal. So
Okay, the
how
difference is the manager wasn't involved in number 3 and he
exactly, exactly,
somehow
exactly. So in option 3, manager was not aware either you quit the job or you still working or what you are doing. He don't know. But when you will say option 5, it means now your manager knows that worker has quit the job or he has acknowledged.
what the impact of this option 3 or option 5 on the system?
Okay. See, option 5, it will not put any
Option
kind.
3
See,
means like
option
he's not working, maybe he's allocating resources. Option 5, maybe he released the allocated resources.
exactly. See, option 5 in the sense. See, you quit the job and you left.
Number 3, he quit the job.
Number 3, yeah, you quit the job and you left. But still on the paper, you are an employee.
Yes, yes,
So,
yes.
so what will happen?
Maybe some agreement between manager and the company charging some money.
Yes, yes, yes. So So what happened? Your attendance sheet or whatever the term which you will use, it came to your manager. So manager is not aware that Salman has left the job. So what he will do, you left the job on 25th, and on 30th your attendance sheet went to your manager, so he has to approve for your payroll. So what he did, he approved. It means 5 days you haven't worked, but still you are going to be paid. So your
Okay.
manager should know that Salman has left the job. So
Yeah.
whatever
Yeah.
the responsibilities he has for you, I mean, at least he can quit your payroll process, or he can go for exit interview, or something else.
Okay.
So your
So
manager, yeah.
tell manager that the worker acknowledges quit. When this option being used, then what will be the impact of using this option on the system?
See, in that case, I mean, it will put only the entry in the table that FND
Oh, I
install
see.
first.
I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it.
Okay.
They put the entry in the table that manager has been acknowledged.
Yes. Okay.
Can we see that table now
We
after
can
using
we
this
can
option?
see we can see we can of course we can see we can see. So oh, it got dropped. It got dropped. Okay. It got dropped. So we can see the table. We can see it's not a big deal. I mean, just log into apps utility and we can see the table. Yeah, it's not a big deal.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So come to the point. Okay. So I mean, we know that how to generate the message file, control file, report file, and generally we won't get this kind of issues: report generate file or jar file. Okay. So come back and so maintain the application file menu. Okay, go there. So relink option we have seen, relink the binaries, copy the file
Yes.
destination. So I mean we are not bothered about copying the file, and we never convert the character set. Say sometime we got the requirement, hey, convert the character set. So
Copy the destination. Did we?
I mean I haven't tried what we do, but we can explore. Okay, I'll explore and I'll inform you. So the most important thing is maintain snapshot information. The most important thing that we are going to cover is maintain snapshot information. Okay. Now, what exactly snapshot is? See, basically, snapshot is nothing but, I mean, if you will say in Oracle terms, Oracle database, so we have a snapshot standby. Okay.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Okay, so generally what we do, say I want to convert my snap database to a snapshot standby. So what we do with the help of some data guard broker, we convert into a snapshot. So what is the impact? Whenever we are converting my database to snapshot, so Oracle will take one point. Say point number is dot one. So you have done something, you did some human insert, drop or everything. Again, you want to convert back to a physical standby. So with the help of a snapshot, it will convert. So what it will do, whatever the changes you have done after a dot one point, it will gone.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what exactly we have in Oracle application? So a snapshot is nothing but system will take a kind of photo for your system application, and in that photos it has the information how many files you have, what are the version of that file is. It will keep those information in the snapshot. So how
Okay.
it will be benefited using a snapshot. Say for example, I'm going to apply one patch. Okay, patch. So this patch will impact your GL top. Under GL top, we have one form abc.fmx and abd.fmx. So when I will apply this patch number is 12112. So when I will apply this patch, it will impact abc.fmx and abd.fmx. So what is exactly the patch is? Patch is nothing but a kind of SQL code. So when I'm going to apply this patch, so my file version is 12.1.a, for example, this, and here it's 12.1.a file version we have. So when I will apply this patch, what will happen after patching? The file version will be changed to 1.b. Same thing here, 12.1.b. Okay. So when system will apply the patch, we should get the information about this file, that the version of this file is 12.1.a. So this information will be stored in the snapshot.
Okay, I
Got,
got it. I
got
got
the
it.
idea? So when I'm going to apply the patch, it's a SQL code,
Yeah,
and it knows that the file version should be 1.1.a.
and it's not a snapshot is consistent. The same thing when you do the file system backup. Let's say root VG, it's creating a snapshot.
Exactly,
Snapshot in a way
exactly.
that all the files in that point in time will remain as is. Like when we take data dump backup, I usually put the snapshot like a timestamp that all the changes on that time will be freeze. Next changes will not go in that dump file.
Exactly, exactly. Now, one more scenario we have. Say, I'm going to apply this patch 112. So what it will do, it will upgrade or it will update your file fmx2 from 12.1.a to 12.1.b. But already we applied this patch. Say,
Hmm.
already we applied this patch, but people don't know. So when they will apply this patch, what it will happen? System will check this file version. So we have 12.1.b. So what will happen? I will get an warning message. Hey, already this patch has been applied. So how the
Okay.
system will know? These information will be stored in the snapshot.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So
So
whenever we apply a patch, we first check the snapshot. What is the current version of the files?
exactly. Oh, Siddharth came.
So Siddharth is a lucky guy. Welcome, Siddharth. Today you miss everything, actually.
No, don't
You
say.
miss everything, Siddharth. You're late. Sir already done the patching. You're late. I'm happy I have this whole session. Maybe it's not recorded. Where is he?
I mean, he waked up. He logged in.
Logged in, nice.
Okay. Siddharth, good morning.
No mic because he right now some roommate is shouting and fighting.
Okay, okay. So anyway, just a recap. Siddharth, can you hear us?
Actually, I was not well, sir.
Oh, what happened? What happened?
Oh,
I am cold and fever. That's it.
Oh, so do one thing, Salman. Sorry, Siddharth. Just take rest, okay? Take rest. So we
no,
will
no,
not
no.
cover a very big topic today. Just take rest, and
You will have a recording.
we have a recording. We'll share with you, and if you have time, your evening time, so we can discuss for at least for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay? Take rest.
No, no, this is okay, sir. I got up right now. I
Yeah,
can.
he got up means like he don't want to miss this lecture.
Mhm. That shows dedication.
Yes, yes, he want to be apps DBA guru.
And he will be. I mean, whoever will learn the contents, he will be.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay. So Siddharth, what we have done today? Today we have discussed one concept called FND install process and AD deferred job. So whenever we are going to run AD control, or
Mm-hmm.
in other term, whenever we are using worker process, so Oracle will generate two tables: FND install process and AD deferred job. Okay. So FND install process, what will have in that table? This table is used to store information about job given to worker. It will
Mm-hmm.
insert a row when it assigned a job. Okay. So the purpose for this table is I'm using for worker process. So how the system will know how many worker we have, what exactly they are doing, what job they have done. So these kind of information will be stored in fnd install process table.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now I'm using for worker, so one worker got failed. So how system will know? So whenever worker got failed, Oracle will put entry in AD deferred job that this worker one got failed. And
Mm-hmm.
once the worker has been done, this table will be dropped. If ND install process AD default job, it will drop.
Oh, these are the two tables: FND install person and AD default job.
Exactly, exactly. table is there, and once the job has been done, it will drop where we have, see. So telling worker to quit. So worker one quit, this, dropping if it install process table, and dropping AD deferred job tables.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So,
Okay.
so like we have a data pump. Data pump, whenever we take export XPDP, it will create one master table, and in that master table, it will keep information about my jobs. Okay, how many percent job has been done, what are the file system is going to create, and once the export has been done, it will drop the master table.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Now, one more concept we are going to discuss is snapshot. Okay, come to see.
Lecture just started. We were just talking and waiting for you, Siddharth, not you.
Actually, I'm extremely sorry because I'm really not well. That's why I could not able to get up because
For maybe half an hour, one after the other calls on WhatsApp.
no, actually, late night also I was working as there is some official work also.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. So now we are going to discuss one important topic called snapshot. So basically, what is a snapshot? Snapshot, I mean, in general terms, we say, hey, take one snap. Hey, take one snap. So what does it mean? I mean, I'm here. Someone took my photo. So after 5 years or 6 years, if I want to recall that memories, what I will do, I'll open the photos and I can recall. Oh, I was there on that time, and I was in this position. I wore some nice T-shirt or pant or whatever. I mean, so I can recall those memories. So same thing in Oracle. Say for example, I'm going to apply one patch. So example we have written, I'm going to apply one patch in GL top. Okay, so patch number is 112. Okay, so when I will apply this patch, it will impact these two files, abc.fmx and abd.fmx. So this patch has a prereq. What prereq? The version for this file should be 1.12.1.a. And when I will apply this patch, so after applying this patch, the version will be 12.1.b and this will be 12.1.b. It means whenever I'm going to apply the patch, some process will take the version for this file. Agree or not, Siddharth and Salman?
Yes, yes. And one more thing I want to ask because that was a question in my interview when I went for EBIS. They were saying that are you doing the patch impact analysis? When you are applying a patch, do you know what areas of applications it impacting? So impact of a patch will be determined by what? By a README file, or how we know that where the impact of this patch will be? I give you one patch, right? And I ask you to apply. First, you go and compare that patch to be on the snapshot, right? To see that is this patch has been applied before, right? Or something like that.
No. Whenever we are going to apply the patch, so we have a mode called test mode.
Okay, test mode. Okay.
Yeah. So for time being, I'll tell you. So test mode means whenever I'm going to apply the patch, it will impact how many files.
I see. Okay. Okay.
So in that test mode, we can come to know.
Okay. 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 I understand
So okay,
that. What is the impact?
so yeah, so that part I'll discuss later.
So in this particular case, it's simple as that the snapshot is actually taking the current state of your application and say
Exactly.
with the
Exactly.
timestamp that this is the snapshot to be taken on, let's say, November the 2nd, 2017.
Exactly. 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 Okay.
Okay,
So
got it.
so we have a definition about a snapshot, what exactly the snapshot is. So you can see on the screen. Snapshot represents each unique combination of Oracle Home product and version at any given point of time. It includes information on each file maintained by Oracle application. So whatever the file we have, it will maintain the information. Okay. So now if I will say what kind of a snapshot we have. So come to this way. So I want to know.
This cheat sheet, give the cheat sheet and something because I want to see it after. Yeah, this cheat sheet, this one.
Okay.
It's a definition, right?
A
Yeah. This
snapshot
one.
I'll mention. Snapshot. Put it here. Okay.
I
So
think you have a small definition somewhere like snapshot, like what is AD admin, what it is doing. It's small definition
yes,
of
yes,
these
I we
everything.
have. Yeah, we have. Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead, please.
Okay.
Go ahead.
So now I want to know how many snapshots we have. Say, for example, as a DBA, I mean, I cannot maintain 1,000, 2,000 snapshot. So as a DBA, say for example, today I applied one patch. So I will take one snapshot. And after 2 days, again, I'm going to apply one patch. I'll take a snapshot. So now I have a two snapshot. So in third day, when I'm going to apply the any patch, I will take a snapshot. But what I will do, the snapshot which I took first time, I will delete.
Yeah, I understand because too old.
Yeah, tool.
How
See,
long you how long you want to keep the log file? Maybe a few months, and then you goes like, yeah, it's obsolete. So you get rid.
yep. Okay. So when I said list snapshot, I got. So these are the snapshot I have in my system. So name is global view and the current view. Okay. So it's using what Appletop it's using. It's a global and the application system is prod. Okay. So currently we have four snapshot. Okay. Now come to this point. So current view snapshot. A current view snapshot is a copy of current file system of Oracle Home. Oracle Fusion Application Patch Manager create the current view snapshot then update every time a patch is applied. What does it mean? Say I have a current view snapshot. So whenever I'm going to apply any patch, for example, patch 123, so Oracle can update current view snapshot. Apart
Okay,
from
okay,
any other process, no one can update current view snapshot. So whenever I'm going to apply patch, Oracle will update my current view snapshot.
okay. Internal process will
Internal
do that.
process, internal process. Okay, okay. So, so definition
And
I will share. I will
what
share
is
with you.
global? I
I
see
mean,
global.
global is a kind of name of a snapshot. Okay, any name you can mention.
Okay,
Okay, any
okay.
name.
And this is how you get there. Like we just enable the AD utility, right? Sorry, AD control
No,
utility.
no, no, no.
And,
It is enabled by
no,
default.
sorry. Not AD control, AD admin. And
Mhm.
AD admin, we select option. Which option we select? List.
Option two. Option
Option two is update current snapshot, and in that we get sub menu.
yeah.
That is in your what's called your Excel, not PowerPoint
Yeah.
slide, having this pictures I saw.
It has. Yeah. It has.
So
Yeah. It has.
yes. So then we get a sub menu. We get a sub menu of a snapshot, and a snapshot we see where is the number two?
See,
Okay.
first
Got it.
option one. See, option one, I choose option one. So in option one, I mean, generate message file or this one. So what we have to do, we have to come to option two. Yeah, this one. So I choose option two. We have a relink option, we have a convert, or we have this. Now
Yeah,
maintain.
what I was saying, yeah, that is the menu because it was in the slide I saw in the
Yes,
power
yes, 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 yes. We have.
in the
I'll share.
in
I'll
the
share.
sequential banner.
I'll
It's
share.
saying that okay, first you go, let's say AD admin, you
Mhm.
have menu one. In menu one, you select option. Let's say in our scenario, we are selecting option number what
Option
to
number
get the
two.
sub
Option
menu.
number two.
We select them, which is called maintain application forms. So after that we have a sub menu open which is having snapshot option number one, right?
Yeah.
Where is option number one? I saw a snapshot there.
See, AD admin. So correct Apple top. Okay, this one. So correct database, yes. Password manager, yes.
Apps,
Uh,
apps,
apps,
apps, yes.
yeah. So I
Yes,
got it.
there are two password you have to enter. One
Yeah,
is the system, the other one is the application, right?
exactly. So now
Option two, maintain
option
application files menu.
option two. In option two, we have option four. So that's why it comes with practice. I mean, I won't remember this option. So when I will practice, it's very easy to remember.
No problem. Next time I will ask questions to Siddharth. No problem. I will ask where this menu was, so he will answer.
Okay, so I want to know how many snapshots we have. Okay, how many snapshots we have. So with the help of option one, we can know. So it's saying that these are the options I have in my, I mean, these are the snapshots I have. Okay, so let me choose option two. So I want to update my snapshot. I want to update. So you want to update your snapshot for a complete Apple top, or you want to update a snapshot only for Java top, or you want to update your snapshot with a particular product top. Say I want to update a snapshot only for my GL. So we can choose this option. Or I
Okay,
want to,
sorry, just interrupting.
oh, sure, sure.
Uh, we use first place like before this sub menu. First time we select list snapshot, right?
Exactly. Yep.
On that snapshot, we see current snapshot, right?
Yep.
So that option we already explore in this menu snapshot information,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
Now we are exploring the option number two, which
Two.
is update
Yep.
current snapshot.
Current
So
snapshot.
update current snapshot meaning we just understand, as you said, that current snapshot, it's actually updating by the internal Oracle processes, is not by you,
Exactly. Exactly.
right? So when we say that update current view snapshot, so current view snapshot update means like is this the way that Oracle will update the current snapshot, or what is the meaning of that update?
See, the meaning is that I'm going to apply one patch. Okay. So
Okay.
this patch, I mean, before applying the patch, Oracle will take the snapshot.
Yes,
Agreed?
yes,
Okay,
before the state of the system.
exactly. Now I'm going to apply one patch, but this patch will impact only GL top.
Okay.
Okay,
And it how we know that it's affecting only GL top? It's
in the
in the
in
patch
the
documentation.
patch file, README file we can know. README file we can
Okay,
know.
okay. Got it. I got it. I got it. Okay.
So now, rather than what Oracle will do, Oracle will update entire current view snapshot. So I want to tell to Oracle, hey, rather than updating the entire snapshot, just do one thing, just update only a particular product top. Why? Because I'm going to apply the patch only on GL top.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
so in that case, we can choose this option. So I want to tell to Oracle, hey, update my complete Apple top, or update my only Java top, or either update only product top.
Okay, understand that. If we fail to give this information, if we fail to give this information, I know Oracle always work with something default. Oracle don't have something like no default. He have something default. If
Yes,
we fail to say to him that do that update current view snapshot, he definitely have something
yes,
default algorithm inside to
yes,
do
yes,
that.
yes,
What is that
yes.
default?
It will go for complete.
Okay, it will go for complete, make that time consuming, lots of time
Yes,
consuming.
yes, exactly. Yes, yes. I mean, updating
So
the
in order to
entire.
save this one, we have to explain him that what you have to, which area you have to go and
Yes,
create, update that snapshot, current
yes,
view, right?
yes, 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 yes.
Okay, I got it. I
Okay.
got it. I got it. Exactly, I got it.
Now, I mean, I'm not going to update anything because it's time consuming. So I will return the previous menu. Now I
Okay.
want to create my own snapshot. Okay, so I will choose option three.
This is we can do even right now. We can create one snapshot.
We can do, yeah, we can do, yeah. So for example, enter the source snapshot ID. So from this one, 132. Okay,
Mhm.
enter the destination snapshot name. Or I will mentioning like sid underscore sl. This one.
Sid, no, SD,
No, no,
SDL.
spelling is wrong. Okay, by mistake I did. Now it's creating the named snapshot. Now it will take time.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. I mean, generally we won't
When
use this.
when we said to him to create a snapshot with for us, which we selected the option number three. Now what he's doing, he's going to check the application and read the application files and
Exactly.
creating one recent fresh snapshot for us, which we can
Exactly.
use as.
Exactly. Exactly.
Okay. So let's say 5 days from now, if we come back and I say SDI sal snapshot, so he will tell us the state of the system. Maybe tomorrow, after tomorrow, we patch, but still this SDI sal snapshot exists in the system.
It will be
Oh, I see.
until and unless we won't delete.
This snapshot is helpful of by any way to roll it back to the state of the system it was before.
No,
No,
no, no, no,
no.
no, no, no.
So what is the advantage to taking that snapshot? That is the question.
Okay, okay. That part I'll discuss. Yeah, give me
Okay, okay,
some time. I'll discuss. Okay.
okay. Today, Sadad, you are all, you don't worry. I'm asking too much questions today. I'm taking your part as well.
No, not any.
Okay. Go ahead.
Okay, so now I mean we have option, so it will take time. Okay, so I want to export my snapshot to a particular file. Say for example, some issue came, or I mean some issue with the application. So I mean I need to send a snapshot to Oracle support. So with the help of this option, I can create a snapshot to a file, and I have a file which I took earlier. So with the help of that file, I can import as well. I
Okay,
mean
I understand.
generally I
I
haven't used this
understand.
option.
I
I mean
understand.
generally we won't use these options.
Okay, I
Okay,
understand that.
and the option
I
6 is
understand.
to delete the snapshot. I mean, say for example,
I understand
ju-
that. I
yeah,
understand that.
just now I created. So once
You
it
want
has
to
been done,
import
I want
snapshot,
to delete.
import snapshot. I understand. It
Mm.
means that if you have to give a snapshot information, you are giving snapshot information. You are actually giving exporting the snapshot. You are if you are Oracle or you somewhere you have to see you can import the snapshot and you can delete the snapshot. It's same thing that you have ADDR. What's called there?
ADDM.
Yeah, ADDM, right? ADDM or ADDR? No, there is a one repository which is having the incident created there, which you
Okay, okay,
upload to Oracle
okay, okay, okay.
Mm.
ADDR, like inside
ADRCI.
the
No,
inside the
ADRCI.
ADRCI.
ADR, ADRCI,
So
something
yeah,
like
we
that.
can create the incident packages or
Yeah, we can create the incident. We can send that one to Oracle.
So same kind of thing here that Oracle said, hey, what is the problem you have? Please don't talk with us much. First, give us the export snapshot of your system. So we will see what is the current version of your files.
Mhm. and
That what they said, or
exactly. I mean, yep. So apart from that, I mean, we have some tables as well. So with the help of this, we can find the information about my snapshot. Like we have AD snapshots or AD snapshot bug or file. So these are the tables we have that will be useful whenever I'm going to work with my snapshots. See,
okay,
AD underscore file underscore version. So it will keep the file version information and AD bug. So it will record the patches that has been applied. Okay.
AD bug.
Yeah,
It's not
AD.
OPatch utility having the patch
No, no,
information.
no. patch is for database level, and AD is for application level.
Oh, I see, I see.
It will take some time, so let it go.
When we talk about application, are we talk about Fusion middleware, or we talk about the web application, or which tier? When
See, Fusion FMW is different. I mean, if I will consider Fusion middleware, so WebLogic will come in the picture.
yes,
But
but this AD bug is what it's
actually,
application itself or application server. I just try to get.
no. AD bug is a kind of table. So, for example, at the database level, say SQL plus as is DB. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
describe DB
Because
underscore.
when we were doing the architecture part, we learn about 10.1.3 and 10.1.2.
Hmm.
10.1.3 is Apache. 10.1.2 you said is Form server.
Form server,
So
yeah.
now when we are applying the patch, are we applying the patch to Apache, or we are applying the patch to Forms,
No,
or we are applying the patch?
no. Neither we are applying the patch on Apache, neither we are applying the patch on Form server.
Okay,
What,
where
what,
then?
what we are doing, we have a top called GL.
Okay.
Under GL, we have so many files. We have form, we have
Okay, understand that. Okay, so we are applying the patch to a web application which module it belongs to. Maybe inventory control, maybe a
Exactly.
general ledger.
Exactly.
Okay, I
Exactly.
understand. So in particular top, you can go and apply the patch, and that is what we are exactly doing, right?
Mhm. See, this patching I will discuss in patching class. So
Okay, I
yeah,
understand. Okay.
like how many patches, one-off patches, family pack or maintenance pack. So that I'll discuss later. Okay. So now here what we did, we said describe deep underscore directories. It means it will go to database level and it will fetch these information. Now I want to know how many patches are there at the database level. So generally what we do, we say o patch ls inventory. So from database level, it will fetch this information and it will display. Now same thing I want to know at the application level how many patches we applied. So we have area underscore bugs. So this table contain information about the patches.
And
So
if we are using the consolidated environment variable, this AD bug will be in my prompt, like in my profile.
no, 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 no. See, AD bug is a table,
Oh, I see. I see. Not utility.
not utility. AD bug is a table. So
Okay,
more,
so when
more
we go and connect to Oracle apps and we describe this table,
we
can we
can get.
see?
Yeah, we can get. So apart from that AD underscore bugs, we have AD applied patches. So that we'll discuss in patching class.
Oh, I got it. Okay, I got
Okay,
it.
okay. So let it run. I mean, I will not disturb. Maybe it will. It should run. Okay. So this is all about. I mean,
So,
snapshot. I mean, yeah.
yeah, snapshot. We explore today all options about the snapshot, which is listing up current update. Creating a snapshot, export for Oracle, import might be not required. Deleting, yes, we will do.
Mhm.
After this, we want to delete. We can delete. We have to give the name of the snapshot.
Yes.
Return, maintain application files menu. What is that?
So what does it mean? Come to previous stage.
Oh, rollback.
No, 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 not roll back. See what I did. Um, come here, come here. See, I have chosen option one. So what happened? It will display this one, generic application, and six is exit area administration. So what I did, I use option two. So option two means I will get this one. So now I want to come to option one. So what we have to do, we have to choose option six. Same thing is applicable. I'm here, I'm in this menu. So I want to come back in the previous stage. So I need to
Mhm.
press S.
Okay,
So
I got it. I got it. I got it.
yeah,
It's something like
come,
when
come,
you are byte, you press
come.
escape or you press
Yeah,
back, it takes you.
exactly, exactly, exactly.
Yeah, yeah, return key. Yeah, yeah, I understand the back key actually
Yeah,
back.
yeah. So this is all about the snapshot, but still we have some other options we need to explore. So that we'll see tomorrow. Because
Okay.
I have one more batch at 8 o'clock. So
Okay, can you send this files for now so we can see this, the definition one
that's fine.
and the slide if you can, will be awesome.
Actually,
Just
yeah.
to understand what we do, we will go through these things and very handy, especially the menus which
Mhm.
you have there, like this menu, that menu. Yeah, that's the one.
Okay. So one thing, I mean, Siddharth and Salman, have you received any mail which says that I shared the videos? No.
I have one mail in which I get this link to this what's called net to meeting. Other than that, there is
Hmm.
another no other email. I don't know. Maybe you send. I will check. I didn't
Okay.
get a chance. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. I mean, today, sure, I'll share the videos and those notes which I have, I'll share. Why? Because see, here it's not giving me the option. I'm saying gmail.com.
No,
See,
no, it will. You have another browser. This Internet Explorer. If you open, let's see that if it's working.
we are not habituated for Internet Explorer.
Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah, it's all right. Yeah, yeah, it will go. Sometimes blackout. I know that Gmail sometimes, and especially when you are having your net to meeting enabled. Okay, there it is.
Snapshot. Where we have snapshot. Yeah, this one. So what I'll do. I will forward to you guys.
And see that slide if you have this menu
Sure,
slide.
sure, sure, sure.
We are not publishing it. It's only for us. Highly confidential.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's sent, and then
Even sometimes when I was working for this, IFS application, my job, sometimes the job getting failed, right? For example, you're closing a PO and PO is not able to close. I have to manually go to the table and change the value before it start working. Same thing. If the job in something like what's the status you said? There's a status which is
deferred,
called
deferred or failed.
defer status. I have to change the status going to that table manually, and after the job is able to delete. Otherwise, you cannot delete it. It's locked.
Yeah.
So many times I did that. So I understand application perspective, how the things are working there. And there are the tool which is called SQL Loader tool. I don't know this Oracle apps having that utility.
No, no, no. We don't have. We don't have.
Oh, okay, okay. That application having even the utility. Do we have any option to check the indexes are old and new in from the application? No.
Indexes we have at the database level.
Yeah, yeah. But there is no utility.
No, 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 no. We don't have.
No, no, because that IFS I work, there's a utility, and even if you work for what's called SAP having a BR utility, which is telling you even databases, Oracle tell you everything that what are the indexes are bad and things like what are the things of tuning from the application perspective. They have a utility there.
Okay, okay. So I shared the snapshot and I shared the AD admin. See.
Yeah, can you open the AD admin? So Siddharth, he's he's sleeping maybe already. Siddharth,
I'm not. Yes, yes. Tell me.
look this slide is telling you a lot. If you can see that slide, it is having a menus. Like sometimes you get lost. You have too much time to go and make your application up, your database up. But this slide is telling you that what are the options. By heart, you just understand, right? Okay,
Hmm.
option two, option three, having this, and then further sub menus.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. So I need to log off. I need to restart my machine, and possibly tomorrow we'll meet at 6:30.
So when exit at a class will exit at a sorry this Golden Gate class.
It will be within 5 to 10 minutes.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
I'll
can do
join
that
actually.
class, at least the introductory class. I'm not speaking that listening.